From opposition side, only I am representing here. I am attending this meeting because of the greater interest that we know that cooperative federalism should be strong, strengthened. You are political bias, you are not giving the proper attention to different states, even budget also, this political bias budget. You give special calling attention to some state, I don't have any problem.
नहीं तो आप
I want to आपने क्यों डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया? मैंने बोला इसको आपको रिव्यू करना चाहिए। उसको भी मैंने बोला देखिए मैं हर स्टेट के लिए बोल रहा हूँ। जब आप तो डायरेक्शन देता है, काम तो हम करते हैं। एक प्लानिंग कमीशन का जो हम काम करते थे, उसको प्लानिंग करता था स्टेट के लिए। ये नीति आयोग को तो कोई फाइनेंशियल पावर नहीं है, वो कैसे करेंगे? उसको फाइनेंशियल पावर दीजिए। कमीशन को वापस ले आइए। मैं और एक बात बोला, देखिए मेरे स्टेट के लिए भी आपको कहना है कि आप 3 साल से हमारा 100 दिन का काम बंद करके रखा, अब आवास योजना बंद करके रखा, प्रधानमंत्री योजना बंद करके रखा, अब रूरल रोड बंद करके रखा। ऐसे कोई गवर्नमेंट नहीं चलता है। आपको डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं करना चाहिए। इफ यू डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन योर पार्टी टू अदर पार्टी, देन हाउ द कंट्री विल रन? When you are in power, you have to take care for all. You cannot discriminate between boys and girls. मैंने जो बोलना एक ने बोला है, उसका बाद में बस मैं हूँ माइक स्टॉप कर दिया।
आप छोड़कर आ रहे हैं बीच में नाराज है,
माइक बंद किया
नाराजगी की वजह से।
देखिए मैं बोलने चाहते थे और थोड़ा बात, लेकिन मेरे को बोलने के लिए वो 5 मिनट में स्टॉप कर दिया। जब हमारा से बहुत आगे जो बोला है 5 जन, वो लोगों ने कोई 20 मिनट बोला, कोई 15 मिनट बोला, कोई 10 मिनट बोला, और ऑपोजिशन का ओर से मैं एक ही लाया, लेकिन तब भी मेरे को 5 मिनट में स्टॉप कर दिया। दिस इज इंसल्टेशन। आई विल नॉट अटेंड एनी मीटिंग फॉर दैट।
दीदी
From right outside the president's house, ममता बनर्जी निकल चुकी हैं नीति आयोग की बैठक से, और इस वक्त इन तस्वीरों में देखिए ममता बनर्जी।
Okay, so that is Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, who's the only opposition leader who has attended a Niti Aayog meeting. It was a pretty short attendance, but she says, I raised my point ki discriminate kyun kiya, but she said I wanted to speak more, but after 5 minutes they stopped me. Arun, if you're still with us, this is big. I mean, this is something which is quintessential Mamata Banerjee. Okay, let's listen into her.
আমি দেশের স্বার্থে এবং বাংলার স্বার্থে, রাজ্যগুলোর স্বার্থে আজকে এসেছি, একা অপোজিশনের কেউ আসেনি, কিন্তু আপনাদের
She's speaking now in Bangla. So clearly her eyes and her focus is on her constituency back home in Bengal. She said, for the sake of the country and for the sake of my state, I decided to attend this meeting.
প্রধানমন্ত্রী আবাস যোজনা বন্ধ, রুরাল রোড যোজনা বন্ধ,
the road yojana, the Awas Yojana, all these flagship schemes of the center has been shut down.
লাস্ট ইয়ার পর্যন্ত এই বাজেটে কিছুই শুধু জিরো।
We have got zero in this budget.
আমার মাইকটা স্টপ করে দিয়েছে।
And when I said this, they switched off my mic and they did not let me speak.
You should be happy for that. Instead of that, you are giving more scope to your party, your government, and you only me on behalf of opposition, only I am there, and you stop my mic. আপনি আমার মাইক বন্ধ করে দিচ্ছেন। আপনাদের এই বঞ্চনা আমি মানি না, তাই মনে রাখবেন আমি চললাম।
बंगाल का दीदी इंसल्ट है,
बंगाल का नहीं, सब रीजनल पार्टी का इंसल्ट है।
दीदी ऑपोजिशन की तरफ से आप अकेले शामिल हुए थे।
Okay, Arun, this is big news coming in. Mamata Banerjee has claimed that her voice was muffled and she was not allowed to speak after 5 minutes.
Well, that's right, Pallavi. We heard Mamata Banerjee saying that she was the 5th speaker, and before her, whoever spoke, they spoke for more than 10-15 minutes. Now you can see the visuals of Mamata Banerjee. She's leaving the Niti Aayog's meeting. So coming back to the point that I was talking, what she said, she's saying that when her turn came and she had spoken for 5 minutes, and when she was talking about the discrimination which happened in the budget, for West Bengal. At that point in time, she's alleging that her mic was stopped. She did not allow to speak further, and therefore she decided to leave the Niti Aayog's meeting. That's what Mamata Banerjee has alleged, that she was not given proper time to put her viewpoint, her state's viewpoint forward. She's saying that the speakers before her given more than 10 minutes. Some of them, in fact, spoke for more than 15 minutes. So that's the problem which Mamata Banerjee is citing at this moment, that she was not allowed to speak. Her mic was switched off, and hence she decided to leave. And in fact, Pallavi, yesterday, this is what the indication which Mamata Banerjee was giving to all of us when she said that she is going to represent the opposition's voice in this meeting, and if she is not allowed to speak, she can leave in the middle. And the same thing happened, and the thing had happened now as she left in the middle of this meeting, alleging discrimination, not allowed to speak what she wanted to speak. And also, in fact, she said when she was talking about the bias of the union government, specifically in the budget, at that point in time her mic was stopped. So at this moment we are outside this the government council's Niti Aayog's meeting, from where Mamata Banerjee has left, alleging that discrimination which she faced inside the Niti Aayog's meeting.
Okay, Arnold, we are going to wait to what the BJP's counter is going to come in from there, and we are just watching you as you are reporting. Has Mamata Banerjee left already? She's going to go back to Kolkata, and as Komalika had been reporting, she has been demanding that she should be allowed to speak in the first half and not go through alphabetically, because then her turn would have come last. Do you think she made that point inside, that I attended it, I did not boycott it, but I walked out because you were discriminating against me inside as well?
Well, Pallavi, what I heard when she was speaking, she said that she was the fifth or sixth speaker. And she also said that the earlier speakers spoke for more than 10 minutes. And when she started speaking, and specifically when she was talking about the discrimination with the West Bengal, whether it is in the budget or about the other various schemes which she mentioned, she's alleging at that point in time she was stopped. And perhaps, when what she's claiming, when her mic was switched off, she tried to speak without that mic, but then ultimately she decided to leave the meeting in the middle. So I think this is the indication which Mamata Banerjee was giving us yesterday. Perhaps she was going in this meeting with this mindset. Somehow she knew what she's going to speak, and also importantly she knew that she may not be allowed to speak. So I think Mamata Banerjee has given out this message, and perhaps that's the reason why she has decided to attend this meeting today, because she is the only opposition leader who was part of this Niti Aayog's meeting. So now what is going to be the next step of Mamata Banerjee? She has left from here. Of course, as you rightly mentioned, she wanted to go back, and therefore she in fact requested there in the Niti Aayog that she wanted to speak early, because she wants to go back to West Bengal today itself. So she has made it amply clear. She's alleging that she was stopped, she was not allowed to speak when she was talking about the discriminatory politics of the union government.
Okay, Arun, I do hold on, because I'm just going to take in a quick word from make the point that I don't want to boycott. I'm going to pitch for Bengal and show the mirror to the government. And she's that, same time walking out, alleging that the mic was switched off, is a larger political point she seems to have made against the government, that once again they're trying to stifle the voice of the opposition.
Well, absolutely, and she tried to project that, see, this is the state of opposition. None of the opposition states came. She came to give respect to the federalism, to the federal structure that she pointed out yesterday also. And she is discussing that she also wants to give out the message to the allies and definitely to the central government that, see, Mamata Banerjee, she went there, she was demanding for her state, and she was not allowed to speak. That she's alleging. Her mic was not working. After 5 minutes, they stopped her mic. She felt insulted. Let me tell you, she's very angry. That's what we are getting it from our sources. And she has just protested and come out, and there she has made 3 points. Number one point is a federal structure giving respect to that. She came, but then central government did not allow her to speak, and this is the condition of opposition. That's what she wanted to project. Number two, she wanted to project that Mamata Banerjee is different, and Mamata Banerjee shows it in her way that she will go there, she will speak for her, state, and then she will protest and come back, because she also feels that it's discriminating. And third and very important point also, the point directly towards Congress and the allies, that see, I was actually representing the opposition in the Niti Aayog, and this is also another sign, and I'm Mamata Banerjee, I'm different.
Yeah, but I think at this point of time, she'll also get the opposition support, because she's exactly said what the Congress party has always been saying against the BJP, that they stifle the voice of the opposition. Do hold on, Arun, as well as Kamalika, Aman. BJP, how do you think the BJP is likely to respond to this?
Well, let's see, Pallavi, because the allegations by Mamata Banerjee are now very serious. She is saying that speakers before her, including Chandrababu Naidu, got 10 to 15 to 20 minutes to speak, but her mic was switched off at 5 minutes when she started to speak about the discrimination in the union budget to West Bengal. So will the government say now that, Niti Aayog meeting is not the place to discuss maybe the union budget? The agenda of Niti Aayog meeting is completely separate. This is about Viksit Bharat by 2047, about Team India, about how states in the center can work together that bigger target, making India the third largest economy in the world. Of course, but there is going to be big politics over it. And as you were saying, the Congress may now come out and say, look, we told you so, that there is no point to go to this meeting because your voice will not be heard. Mamata Banerjee, being acting as the opposition voice, went to this meeting, but now she's claiming that just after 5 minutes her mic has been switched off, she's not been allowed to speak, and that is why she stormed out of the meeting. We'll only know at the press conference in the evening at 5:30 when Niti Aayog, when this question obviously will go to the Niti Aayog officials there, and clarity will come on what exactly transpired inside the meeting to lead to such stormy scenes, where we now see Mamata Banerjee, virtually storming out of the meeting and coming out and giving out this angry response against the government. What really happened, we'll know maybe at the press conference. But I think the BJP is clearly going to say that maybe Mamata Banerjee was only trying to do politics in her speech inside. She was only trying to cite instances not in consonance with what was the agenda of the Niti Aayog meeting.
Okay. And Arun, since you're right there on ground zero where you saw her walking out, what is happening there at this point of time? Is she still there, or has she already left the spot? Clearly she's leaving for Kolkata. But what is happening around you? And I presume the meeting is still going on.
Well, that's right. The meeting is still underway. Just Mamata Banerjee who left. In fact, when we were speaking earlier, there was this movement, and nobody knew actually that it was Mamata Banerjee when we rushed towards that car. Then we only got to know that it's Mamata Banerjee. And when she is outside, it was very clear that she has, skipped the meeting. She has boycotted the meeting in the middle of it. But what was the reason? We didn't know. And when she spoke, she, talked about the discrimination, the alleged discrimination, which she said what happened with her, as Aman was also pointing out that the others were given more time than her. That's what she was saying, that somebody spoke for 15 minutes, somebody spoke for 20 minutes. There were 5 speakers before her who spoke more than 10, 15, 20 minutes, and when her turn came, and when specifically she was talking about the bias with the West Bengal in the union budget, at that point in time she's alleging that her mic was switched off. But what exactly happened in that meeting, we'll get to know once, of course, that press conference happened, and when we'll ask this question. But Mamata Banerjee, of course, perhaps it seems that she has come to this meeting with this sole agenda that she would want to target the union government in this